Welcome to the Spacewalkers Europe Tech Days. We are just now live from the diner within a restaurant with all our customers, and we are really glad to invite them within this event to discuss all together around the network solution, switching, wireless access points, OmniVista as a network management platform, and third-party solution. It's really golden for us to get such feedback, so that's really great time we are having together.
It's a real game changer. It's really a task for the future.
It is basic in what we should do.
Yes, I think so. It's a game changer.
It's a game changer.
How is this happening now?
It's a lot of work. We just migrated it in our wind farm to set up best practice rule set for usage. So we have several requirements and several wishes, but really to have somebody would wish some more support for this ACL security safety requirement setup for.
We have many customers in the industrial space, and there are many different end products that are still using old standards and old devices with backwards compatibility. That's the biggest problem, I think.
I think that most people think it's quite easy and the problem is easily solved. It's not.
Intercompatibility, I think it's really important that you can maintain a network with different vendors.
Root cause analysis and to see where the problem are user experience, and that's where the people see the added value of network management solution.
Myself, I am all of them.
I think the curious newcomer.
I'm quite shy, so I'm the silent strategist.
I think I'm traditional.
The skepticism is always nice, to be critical about your approach and the solution.
This person convinced me.
I would say the opportunity to network with the Alcatel people and also other business partners. So, but it was not difficult to convince me.
Paris.
We like Italy.
This beautiful location, and I saw the Eiffel Tower.
EVPN story for me was quite story. It was quite revelation.
Interesting workshop.
Tomorrow, a bit more deep diving to the technical aspects.
So excited for the workshops.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm looking forward to the Wi-Fi 7.
The discussion that we had and the presentation about the new product was really interesting.
It's lovely to be here and in this nice weather. And
Paris,
with you guys.
Paris, best city in the world.
Yeah, always.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Fun.
Thank you for organizing such a nice event.
Thank you for the welcome in Paris. Thank you for beautiful evening in this location. Thank you all.
Fantastic event, and I'm pleased to be here with you. Thank you, ladies.
No, it was a good event.
Thank you.